Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. In Mesa, window installation services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, custom windows, and entry doors. Mesa. These options not only improve the look of your home but also contribute to significant energy savings. Energy-efficient windows in Mesa are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. By choosing double-pane windows, homeowners can enjoy improved insulation and noise reduction. Vinyl windows are another popular choice in Mesa due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows, along with entry doors Mesa, are available in various styles, including sliding windows, bay windows, and casement windows, to suit any architectural design. Window installation services in Mesa are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Whether you need window glass replacement, window frame installation, window sealing, or entry doors Mesa, professional window contractors in Mesa can provide the necessary solutions. Window caulking and window hardware replacement are also important aspects of window maintenance that can extend the lifespan of your windows. Custom windows in Mesa offer homeowners the opportunity to create unique window designs that complement their home's style. With a variety of window styles and measurements available, custom windows can be tailored to fit any space. Window consultation and window estimates in Mesa help homeowners make informed decisions about their window upgrades, replacements, and entry doors. Mesa. Window solutions in Mesa include a range of services such as window tinting, window insulation, window screens, and entry doors. Mesa. These services enhance the comfort and security of your home while providing additional protection against the harsh Arizona sun. Window maintenance in Mesa ensures that your windows remain in optimal condition, preventing costly installations and replacements in the future. Residential window replacement in Mesa is a popular service for homeowners looking to update their homes with modern, energy-efficient windows. Entry doors Mesa installation is another service that complements window upgrades, providing a cohesive look and improved security for your home. Mesa Window Services offer comprehensive solutions for all your window and door needs. Window contractors in Mesa are experienced professionals who can handle all aspects of window installation, maintenance, and entry doors Mesa installation. From window measurements to window estimates, these experts provide reliable and efficient services to ensure your windows are installed correctly and perform optimally. Window upgrades in Mesa can significantly enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Window styles in Mesa range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to choose designs that reflect their personal taste. Whether you prefer the classic look of bay windows, the sleek design of sliding windows, or the added security of entry doors, Mesa Window Services can accommodate your preferences. Window consultation in Mesa provides valuable insights into the latest window trends and technologies. Window estimates in Mesa are an essential part of the window replacement process, helping homeowners budget for their projects. By working with reputable window contractors in Mesa, you can receive accurate estimates and high-quality window solutions, including entry doors. Mesa. Window sealing and window caulking are critical components of window installation that ensure your windows are airtight and energy efficient. For top-notch window installation and entry doors Mesa installation, look no further than our expert window contractors. Mesa. We specialize in energy-efficient windows. Mesa, offering a wide range of window styles. Mesa to suit your home. Whether you need double-pane windows Mesa or custom windows Mesa, our team provides comprehensive window solutions Mesa tailored to your needs. Our window consultation Mesa services ensure you get the perfect fit with precise window measurements. Mesa. Upgrade your home with our vinyl windows Mesa and sliding windows Mesa, designed for durability and style. Our bay windows Mesa, casement windows Mesa, and entry doors Mesa add elegance and functionality to any room. We also offer window glass replacement and window frame installation to keep your windows in top condition. Our window installation Mesa services are second to none, ensuring your windows are always in perfect working order. Enhance your home's energy efficiency with our window sealing Mesa and window caulking Mesa services. Our window insulation Mesa solutions help maintain a comfortable indoor climate, reducing energy costs. For added privacy and protection, consider our window tinting Mesa, window screens Mesa, and entry doors Mesa options. Our window hardware Mesa is designed for longevity and ease of use, ensuring your windows operate smoothly. Our window maintenance Mesa services keep your windows looking and functioning like new. We offer window upgrades Mesa and entry doors Mesa to improve your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our window estimates Mesa provide transparent pricing, so you know exactly what to expect. Trust our window contractors Mesa for all your residential window replacement Mesa needs. For those seeking custom windows Mesa, our team offers personalized designs to match your unique style. Our window styles Mesa, along with entry doors Mesa, range from traditional to modern, ensuring a perfect match for your home. With our window consultation Mesa, you can explore various options and make informed decisions. Our window solutions Mesa are designed to enhance your home's beauty and functionality. Choose our window services Mesa for reliable and efficient window installation. Our entry doors Mesa installation complements our window offerings, providing a cohesive look for your home. With our expertise in window installation Mesa and window maintenance Mesa, your windows will remain in excellent condition for years to come. Contact us today for the best window estimates Mesa and experience the difference our window contractors Mesa can make.